Cosmic Huskies again with another unboxing, and today will be the brand new Doctor Who 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, which I purchased from the B&M store for like £18 or no, £10 something probably. Can't tell the price. So I got this. So throughout the years I do have other Sonic screwdrivers with me. If I could just put that to the side. So I had the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, which is empty. I emptied the battery, so I got this with the psychic paper. Then I had this one from the Toclafane set with the Mark Series 3 with the Doctor and the Master set. Just put those to the side. Then I had the Matt Smith Sonic Screwdriver, which still makes noise, and then the projection image one where you get the 2 discs, which I have one of them is missing, of course. So I still have them, and of course Tom Baker's one, if you can hear it. Yeah, so these are exactly the Sonic screwdrivers I have with me still. So in this one I will take a look at the brand new 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, and of course, just letting you know, I have 2 of the Jodie Whittaker figures from Series 11 and Series 12 with the bum bag. So I had a little help taking this bit off, so I would just take it out. So there's the Sonic screwdriver itself. So I can just take it out. Sorry about this, it's very hard to get out. Yeah, so I would have to pull this out, and I've kind of damaged it. So there's the Sonic screwdriver itself. So they put a bit of a frosting to it, and this, so I hope it makes noise. So let's try it now. There we go. That's one of its noises. That's the scanner thing. Hold on, there's supposed to be a third one. There's another one here that lights it up. That makes it more louder and clearer. Let's scan again. There we go. So that's it. That's what it looks like. Very different and a bit smooth, like Series 12. And then on the inside, I'll just take it out. We get an image of the new TARDIS in the background. So if you have a Jodie Whittaker figure, you could actually, or the new 13th Doctor TARDIS, and then like photocopy this and then just make it look like the other New Who TARDISes with the console inside, of course. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to all Doctor Who fans, and stay tuned next time. And for now, take care.